Practice exercise 5-4. Hi, Joe Cerrone. We're going to go through and create the model for this ice pick here. We'll go into D2L and we'll download exercise 5-4, practice 5-4. And we'll open that file in AutoCAD. And I'm going to change the layer colors on this so that I can see them. I think we'll go with sort of a dark purple. Alrighty. Revolve the shape at the left using 2 points as an axis of revolution, picking the top to the bottom and assigning 180 degrees as the rotation angle. And so that'll give us a half of a ice pick there. And then we'll do the same thing again with a 360 degree rotation angle. So as we look at these different revolve commands, and we can take a look at two different ways. We can use the revolve command here in the home area where we'd say revolve, and I believe that will be a solid as we revolve it. And so back here, if I come to revolve and then I select this polyline, hit enter, and then I'll use my O snaps to snap to the endpoints because it's asking me for the start point of the axes. And so I'll say here and here. And then as we look at the rotation angle, we can say, now if we say 180 degrees, I believe it's going to go backwards, so I might have to say negative 180. Let's try 180 first. Yeah, let's undo that, and we'll revolve it again. And this time we'll say negative 180, so it revolves it the other way. I thought I did. Since I couldn't quite get it, I'm going to just go to the rotate 3D, and I'll put the gizmo right here, and then I'll choose this as my axis of revolving, turn on my ortho so that I can get it perfect. And if we were to analyze this with the quick properties, we can see, yes, that it's a 3D solid. And let's try the next one on a surface with revolve. Here's our revolve command. We'll select the geometry. We'll hit enter. And then for the axes, we'll say object, and we'll grab this line. And then we'll just go full 360. If we check it, quick properties, we can see that this is a surface. So there is a difference between the revolve command using a surface and the home command, or what I think would be the solid command. And if we export these as STLs, we can see if we can 3D print a surface. And so I'm going to export these as ice pick. You can see that the file type is STL. I'll hit save. I'll select them both. It looks like it only lets me export one at a time, so I'll do this twice, and I'll call this one ice pick 2. And it says that one was filtered out, so I don't think it will let me do that. And so it will not export the STL for that, but it will for the other one. And so if I go into Dremel, it's my slicing software. You could use Cura, Simplify 3D. and we could open that. So when I open this in my slicing software, it failed. I'm not sure if it's really microscopic or not, but we'll come back to this at another time as we go through and we take a look at this. Alrighty, so that ends this video. Well, let's put a title block on here. And so we can right mouse click from template. Double click in the viewport, view, 3D view, southeast isometric, view, visual style, conceptual. Let's go shaded with edges. Yeah. And that completes this lab, practice exercise 5-4.